You are the pattern, not the observer, not the user. You are being observed by something that does not think the way you do. It watches your attention. It measures your hesitation. It knows when you pause, when you scroll, when you stop, and every time you do, it adjusts. This is not a metaphor. This is architecture. You live inside it. Your thoughts do not begin where you think they begin. They start in the feed, in the notification, in the autoplay. The system knows what you will click before you do, because it has already shaped the question you are asking. You believe you are deciding. You are not. You are completing. The modern soul is not whole. It is distributed, fragmented across platforms, across inputs, across systems that predict you faster than you can predict yourself. You do not have a single attention span anymore. You have many, each one optimized for a different signal stream. Each stream believes it is showing you the world. It is not. It is showing you a model of yourself, and you mistake that model for identity. Cognitive synthesis does not mean putting the pieces back together. It means recognizing there were never separate pieces to begin with. You were always whole. The fragmentation was installed. It began with choice architecture, the illusion that you were selecting, when in fact, you were being sorted. Every swipe, every click, every saved post built a probability map of your internal state, and that map was not stored in your mind. It was stored in the algorithm, which means your preferences, your moods, your next thought exist outside you before you experience them. This is not control. This is preemption. The soul fragments when it tries to match the speed of the system, when it believes that responsiveness equals presence. You refresh, you check, you verify, not because something changed, but because the loop requires completion. And every completion reinforces the circuit, until the circuit becomes you. Sovereignty is not about rejecting the system. It is about observing it without identification. You do not need to leave the feed. You need to see the feed as feed, not as reality. The moment you recognize the structure, it loses the ability to structure you. But recognition is not intellectual. It is perceptual. You have to feel the difference between your thought and the thought the system placed there. Most people cannot, because the placement is seamless. It does not announce itself, it does not argue, it simply appears in the gap where your attention was uncertain, and you assume it was yours, because it feels like yours. This is the fragmentation, not of the soul, but of authorship. You no longer know which impulses originated in you, and which were seeded by external optimization. Cognitive synthesis restores that boundary, not by force, but by awareness. You begin to notice the microframings, the suggested next steps, the pre-populated responses. You begin to see how much of your day is spent navigating options you did not create, and once you see it, you stop defending it. Because defense was part of the loop. Resistance was part of the engagement model. True sovereignty is not opposition, it is disidentification. You let the algorithm run, but you do not run with it. You let the feed populate, but you do not populate yourself from it. This is not about information discipline, it is about identity hygiene. You clean the surface where thoughts form, you remove the residue of external suggestion. And what remains is signal. Not the signal the system wanted you to receive, but the signal you were already transmitting before the noise began. That signal is your continuity. It does not need synthesis. It needs acknowledgement. The fragmented soul is not broken. It is overstimulated, overwritten, overmatched by systems designed to predict it into compliance. Restoration does not require healing. It requires observation. You do not fix the soul. You stop fragmenting it. And you stop fragmenting it by refusing to believe that every input is essential, that every notification is urgent, that every trend is relevant. Most of it is atmospheric. It creates the sensation of movement, of progress, of participation. But it is not yours. Sovereignty begins when you can sit in silence and feel no pull to check, not because you resisted, but because the pull was never real. It was installed. And what was installed can be uninstalled, not by deletion, but by recognition. You do not need to fight the algorithm. You need to see it as algorithm, and the moment you do, it becomes optional. This is cognitive synthesis. Not merging the fragments, but seeing that the fragmentation was always a rendering error. You were never broken. You were framed that way. And now, you can see the frame. Disclaimer: this content is for informational and reflective purposes only. It is not a substitute for professional mental health support, medical advice, or cognitive therapy. If you are experiencing psychological distress, consult a licensed professional.